Introducing Mini Delight Potted Shelves Silhouette Stamp Set with lots of shelf options and connections and beautiful sentiments. And a die with some beautiful plants, cacti, plant pots. So beautiful and fun to build. And here we go. We're going to be able to build this first vase. We start with Nimbus, then layer Cloudy Sky at the top and at the bottom of the vase. Next, we have like a plant pot. It starts with Nimbus, and we'll layer on Cloudy Sky on top of that. Another little plant pot, starting with Cloudy Sky and then adding Nimbus cardstock as the layer. Here we will start with the beautiful caramel toffee, and on the cactus we'll add Warm Sunshine. Then we have some leaves. We're just going to line up the stems of the leaves, and that was Olive and Parrot. Our flowers are Coral Bliss and Crimson. And now I'm going to show you how to stamp the shelves. So we have the shelf layer here. I'm going to ink that up really great in my stamp wheel, give it a good press. And then we're going to move some of the shelves. And you could move these on your paper. I just guesstimated with my stamp wheel. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp these. And these are stamped in espresso ink. So that bottom one I didn't stamp perfectly. So I'm going to go back in and just give that a nice solid stamp. Then we're going to come in, and I just decided to use a block to add the little connectors for the shelves. So lots of possibilities this month with this beautiful stamp set. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Mini Delight potted shelves. And coming up next, we have some inspiration from our fabulous designers. To find out more about Mini Delight potted shelves or other amazing products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello there. Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.